Why bad things? You know, he loves the Lord. He is serving in the house of God, like that SDA pastor who went on youth camp meeting, vibrant preacher, anointed prophet, doing the will of God. Whilst he's ministering, was just as I'm doing, he has a call on his phone. He couldn't take the call, so gave the phone to somebody else. The person answered the phone and they said, "Tell pastor to stop preaching and come here right now." As more, his wife and 2 children, mother-in-law, and a little niece the mother-in-law brought from the village. Fire have darted their home in Dansoman, and they were looking for the key to the burglar-proof door and couldn't find it. Wife burned to death. New baby, 4 months old, burned to death. 4 years burned to death, and the little girl 11 years burned to death. Then the mother-in-law burned to death. So why does bad things happen to good people? Why? When I look carefully, you know, when he said, "I am the light of the world," John 8 verse 12, when he said, "I am the light of the world," he that followeth me shall not walk in darkness, he shall have the light of life. Christ's teachings are very interesting, especially when he said in John chapter 10 verse 9, "I am the door, I am the door." Many open no, yeah. He that entereth by me shall be saved, and shall go in and out and find pasture. When I look at all the teachings of Jesus, at least in a panoramic view, it brings some kind, you know, that Christ, apart from being a good rabbi or teacher, apart from being the savior, apart from being the good shepherd, Christ also is a parabolist. A parabolist is somebody who uses or chooses to use storytelling to depict his message. So instead, the prophets were using metaphysical conundrums to speak to their audience. Jesus would choose a story and then tell his message. And so a parabolist, you know, pick up, you know, a message and bring to the understanding of the people. And so anywhere he goes, maybe politicians and public speaking candidates can learn from Jesus.